Does your business move at the speed of insight? It can when all of your data is used effectively. Teradata is innovation first and innovation next, integrating exponential data for infinite value today and in the future. Teradata Labs President Scott Now.
Our solutions are really built from the ground up, focused solely on delivering the best performance, the best feature functionality, the best availability, all of those things for analytics to drive decision-making for our customers.
Teradata delivers best-in-class and first-in-market solutions that allow companies to extract the most value possible from all data through technology, scalable capabilities, and the lowest total cost of ownership. Teradata's Chief Customer Officer, Alan Chow.
According to industry analysts, Teradata has anywhere between a 2 to 3 year lead on our competition continuously for the last 10, 15 years. And Teradata has been able to do that because of our architectural differentiation to our competitor. From day one, Teradata is designed as a massively parallel hardware architecture and a database that is integrated with that architecture to take advantage of the scalability that this architecture provides.
Teradata is always investing in development and innovating for the future, with platforms and solutions that harness the power and value of data analytics and the data warehouse. Innovations on day one and innovations tomorrow. Teradata Vice President of Engineering, Carson Schmidt.
For Teradata, it's important to be first because when we drive either new innovations or new technologies into the product, it improves either performance, price performance, or some capability that's important to our customers. And we've shown that we can do this over not just years, but decades.
Innovations that create a lower total cost of ownership.
So if we look at the last 6 years, for example, in the last 6 years, we've taken advantage of memory technology by growing our main memory size by 24x. In that same 6-year period, we've been able to improve performance per server by 24x. We've been able to reduce power consumption by 8x and footprint by 8x. So this makes our systems have a lower total cost of ownership and basically provide more value to the customers at a lower price.
Teradata doesn't just deliver what's possible now. Teradata drives what's possible next.